Professional Counter Surveillance Sweeping System Delta X G26. Quickly and reliably detects all kinds of RF listening devices, including analog, digital, constantly existing, and intermittent, sending audio or video with or without encryption. Controlled by a laptop or tablet with practically unlimited capacity for data logging and the ability to guard an area 24/7. Has a long detection distance, 20 to 50 times longer when compared to conventional RF detectors and near-field receivers. Finds the mobile and wireless standards GSM, 3G, 4G LTE, 5G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. in the frequency range of up to 6 GHz in real time. In addition to the standard detecting modes, it has the GPS tracker detection mode, which is able to find tracking devices on vehicles. Does not demand a high level of experience from the operator. The Delta X G26 works in the following modes, which are used during electronic spy bug detecting. Update masks. Quick preparation for detection. The system automatically accumulates the broadcasting and other safe signals existing in the area in order to pass over them during the subsequent detection. RF sweep. The main detection mode provides maximum reaction time and the highest sensitivity. The operator can move the system during the detection. Signal analyzer. Analysis, demodulation, and physical locating of detected signals. Suspicious signals can be inspected and located in this mode. Guard 24/7. Rejection of short transmissions and usage of 2 antennas reduces false alarms in this mode. Suitable for 24-hour detection without unwanted false alarms. Car tracker detector. Detection of vehicle-mounted GPS trackers transmitting coordinates via mobile networks. Stop and view log. Review of the detection history by selected date. The signals table, spectrogram, waterfall, and alarms graph give full information about the detected signals and alarm events.